Okay everyone, so it has currently been more than 12 hours since I started putting this bone marrow into the crock pot. And so let's see what it looks like. It looks like it's definitely boiling. And so after cooking this for a little more than 12 hours, this is what we have. Here's what it looks like. What I'm going to do here is just move this around so you can see it. I think this is really interesting. If you remember what I did last night, I took 2 frozen beef bones and put them in here. And what happens is the marrow cooked off the bone and it left the hard outside. And so that's what that looks like. When we look at the rest of them, same thing, just to give you an idea of what that looks like. So it just left the bone. In all honesty, I haven't seen anything like this since I was a kid and didn't really understand the health benefits surrounding it. But this is what I grew up with. And now that I'm an adult, I feel like I'm going back to when I was a kid and seeing why my grandmother did some of the things that she did in terms of cooking. So the meat and some of the other contents that fell off the bone, this is what it looks like. You can see how it's breaking apart. In addition to that, you can see what's left from what happened last night when I started cooking it. Now for me, this is not as gelatinous as I want it to be, but I really have another concern. I really want to give the broth a chance to let this greasy looking type of film come off, so I want to remove that. And with this batch of beef broth, my intention is to cook some other, or actually use some other recipes that could be beneficial. So that's it, and thanks for watching. I wanted to say one thing. One item I didn't notice is that as I move the spatula through, I can see the gel-like particle that's in the liquid. So, you know, I can see the oil film. I don't know if you can see it like through here. And then this is kind of thick here. So I'm going to let it cool down. We'll come back and take a look at what happens. So it's been a few moments and this is what it looks like on top. So in a few minutes I'm going to just go ahead and move some of this back so that you can see it. So this is a layer of the fat, and all I'm going to do is just make sure I remove this. And I'll just continue to do this until all this is taken off. And I can feel some of the gel forming, but this is part of the unhealthy fat that I don't want, but I can feel some of the gel underneath it. So, thanks for watching.